What's up guys, Jay here from Easy Blade. We're back with another fade haircut tutorial. Today we're doing a high skin fade haircut, guys. Now this one's going to be a military style haircut. This guy is in the military, so he did want his haircut as a high fade. Now the first thing we did was our skin line, as always when we're doing a fade, and we did our shaver to really make the fade pop. Now right here, what we're going to do is grab a number 1.5 guard, and we're going to do this all the way around the head, and we're going over the crown. Now you can see my skin line is above the temple area of the head. Now we're taking it all the way up to the crown, going over it, guys. This has got to be as high as possible. It's a military style haircut. Now we drop down to our 1. We're going to flick our wrist, open our lever, and fade into that 1.5. Now that we finished with that 1 guard, we're going to go ahead and drop down to our half guard. Now we're going to fade into that 1 guard using our half guard. How do we fade into it? We open that lever as we get higher, as you can see me doing with my thumb. Now you're going to do this all the way around the head, making sure it's a nice clean blend. Right now our half guard is off. We're going to take the guards off completely, and we're going to take out that skin line. Now make sure your machine is completely 0 gap so you can remove that skin line. We're going to do this all the way around the head, fading into that half guard, making sure that we make that blend complete. Okay, so we're going to start a line. We're just going to do the line on the sides. We're not lining up the front. We want to make them look as militant as possible and as professional as possible. So we're just going to shape up the front, and later on we're going to hit it with the straight razor. So now we're going to trim the top. We're going to just do some finger length trim. We're not going to do too much, just 1 finger length. And we're just going to go straight back with this. You don't have to get too crazy or too technical with the scissors. Now we're going to apply some Easy Blade pomade in there, just so that the hair can stay to the side and can be styled. I love to do this before I do the side part because I want to make sure that it's nice and, you know, put to the side. Now I did some scissor over comb here just for any of that hair that's hanging over. Now we're going to grab some Easy Blade shave gel, apply it to the side of his head right here, just so that razor can glide. We also have an Easy Blade double edge razor and an Easy Blade straight razor in that razor. Now you can grab this on our website, easybladeshavingproducts.com. We have tons of products. Now we're going to start our side part. Now I started this with my machine upside down. I feel that it allows you not to cut too much into the hair, and this is pretty much what we had before we go ahead and put the straight razor there. So I do it both ways, 1 upside down and 1 flat. Now we're going to grab our straight razor along with some Easy Blade shave gel, pull the skin, angle the blade at a 30, and this is what we have. Now if you guys like this video, like, comment, subscribe.